Hey y'all, it's Love Pink Lucy. How's everybody today? I have got the latest kit from Illustrated Faith and Dayspring. Super thrilled about this one. It's called Less Hustle, More Jesus. How fabulous is that? Because we all know we need less hustle and lots more Jesus. Okay, you can see all the elements of the kit except for a little surprise I have over there that I'll show you next. I'm late getting my kit unboxing done because the mail person left my kit at my neighbor's house. Go figure. So anyway, here it is. We have the 4 sessions like we usually have. There's the cards. Love, love, love. Then we have 4 journaling cards. Look at this one. Come on. Replicate that page. Super easy peasy. There's the 4 journaling cards with a place on the back to write. Oh, and the session cards has, stuff on the back too. Then we have the 3 tip-ins. This one's my favorite. Your plans for me are perfect. And they have the little grid on the back. Our little sticker. Love, love, love. Then we have the cardstock stickers this time. They're different shapes and patterns than we've been getting. And then Wordfetti. I love, love, love Wordfetti. And then there's also some that are blank so that you can stamp or write your own little Wordfetti on there if you want. And then, of course, we've got all of our cute little ephemera. And a lot of them are like his strength, his yoke, my peace, my journey, those like that. And then there's a couple like, there's a little balloon one and a little present. Aren't they so sweet? There's all those. Of course, the little bicycle is kind of like the theme. Last but not least, because you notice there's something that's not in here that we usually have. There's no washi tape. But there's something I think a little bit better. Now, it's got to be big for me to say better than washi tape. We have 2 alphabet stamp collections. 2. Look at that. Awesome! So thrilled about this. I love it because I love alphabet stamps. I don't use a lot of stamps, but I do like my alphas. So this kit comes with a full set. As you can see, it's not the half set that we've been getting. We've got a full set and actually 2 sets, if you want to think of it that way. 2 sets of alphas. So that is in the kit instead of a whole roll of washi tape, which is fine with me. I can deal with no washi this time. Besides, I've got a gazillion trillion that will match this whole kit. So anyway, that is the unboxing for this month. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I'm super thrilled to jump in. How many times have I said thrilled? I was trying not to say excited a lot in this video, and I've said thrilled instead a lot of times. So anyway, I am excited to jump into this kit for this month and see what God has in store for me. And hopefully you'll do the same. And I will be back pretty soon with another video of my review and a tutorial. And you never know, I may hop on Instagram Live and do a live page. So give me a thumbs up, like my video, and subscribe. See you guys later.